Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. As you can tell from the title, I have the Outre Julianne 24 inches from their Perfect Hairline. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew, then you the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. We can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. Places like I do, my place like you do. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew, then you
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this wig, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so I am super excited to be bringing this wig to you guys today because this wig is just everything. As you guys know, or if you do not know, there was an original Julianne and she was about like maybe to like right here, so maybe like a good like 18 to 20 inches, and she was just absolutely gorgeous. I did review her. I will try to leave a link down in the description box below so you guys can see that, but I absolutely adored her. I just thought she was so freaking beautiful, like oh my gosh. So when I saw that they were coming out out with this one. I actually was stalking the site because they released the unit on the site before it was actually available for purchase, and I would go every single day to make sure that I was able to get my hands on at least one or two. And as you guys can see, I got my hands on two. But anyways, like I was just so amped, and I haven't been amped for a wig like in a long time. So yeah, like I mean, super amped. So anyways, as you guys can tell from the title of the video and you guys seeing in the previous clips, this is Julianne in 24 inches, and today, or I showed you guys the other color that I have, which I'm going to do another video on that one, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But right now I am wearing the DR4/honey brown. They do have a lot of beautiful colors, but I love the way this color complements my skin tone. I feel like it is like one of those perfect type of blonde units for me, and I feel like it fits a lot of different skin tones, which is really good. So yeah, I really do love it. If you're afraid to try blonde, I would definitely recommend this, because not only is it one of those more chill blondes where it's not too warm and it's not too cool, but it just has like the perfect high and low lights, and it's just done really well. So I would highly recommend this if you wanted to try like a honey type of color. You guys know you have the parting space going really far back, and you can also do half up half downs, as you guys can see on the stock card, and you could also do side part, middle part, pretty much whatever you want to. So this unit does have a lot of versatility. Now as far as the hairline goes, I feel like hairline is going to be on personal preference. So for me, I feel like with the hairline it does look good. So maybe from like here to here, which is where I kind of laid it down, it is plucked a lot, where on the sides it does have a lot more density, which is fine with me because I primarily wear my wigs down. I don't really do like half up half down. It'll be a very rare occasion where I do that. But if you were planning to do like a more of like a half up half down on the sides, I feel like the density with the plucking on this particular one was a lot heavier, where in the middle it looks really good. It definitely could be plucked a little bit more, but for me this is kind of natural because I naturally have like a full hairline. Well, when I don't shave it, but I naturally have a full hairline, so I don't really mind the fullness. So the pre-plucked that they did, like, is completely okay with me. Like, it's still wearable. Like, I will still wear this out, so I'm okay with it. But it can use a little bit more plucking if you want something. It just depends on the look you want, so it's personal preference, but I think it looks good. As far as the cap size, I feel like this is an average head friendly cap. If you do have a larger size head like myself and you do not like braid your hair down, I feel like it is going to fit a little bit snug. But I feel like because of the fact that I have my hair braided, it fits like a normal type of cap. Like, it's not squeezing my head or anything like that. So that's really good. So, and if you have a smaller head, of course it's going to be perfect for you. But I feel like this unit is average head friendly, so you do definitely want to keep that in mind. So you can wear it whether you're small or big head. But yeah, just keep that in mind. So as far as cap construction, I feel like it has a good cap construction. It does come with an elastic band, which is a great security measure. I feel really good about the unit. Even though I only laid it down from here to here, I still feel very secure with where my wig is. As you guys seen, I'm just grabbing this, I just laid it down with this, which is the Even New York Wonder Bond Supreme, and I really do like it. I like the way it laid down my hair, did really good job. So yeah, but overall I feel really secure with it. Now I did see some of my fabulous YouTube sisters wearing it glueless, but for me, I don't know, like, I feel like I would have been clocked. Like, when I go out, I feel like I would have been clocked. Like, you would have been able to see my lace lifting, and that's just my personal experience. But it looks really good on them glueless, so you definitely should go ahead and try it glueless because it looks really good. But for me, I was just like, for, you know, the assurance and reassurance that I wasn't gonna be clocked, like, I was like, let me just lay it down. So as far as the hairstyle, honey, this is me all the way. Like, I love some really big, beautiful, glamorous curls, and this style just Outre served, okay? And not only do we have big beautiful curls with nice volume, we have layers. Like, do you guys see these fabulous layers? These are so freaking nice, and it goes down into like a density that is not like as full as the top, but I'm okay with that because I feel like if the density at the bottom was as full as the top, I feel like that would have made this unit super high maintenance. So I'm okay with that, but you should be advised that the density kind of like is slowly but surely like trickles down, and then it's not like super full at the bottom. But like I said, I think it looks really good, especially if you don't want something that's super high maintenance. Even though it is like big, beautiful, glamorous hair, I still want it to be on the lower maintenance side, and I feel like with the density being lower at the bottom, it definitely gave room for that. So I'm okay with it, but you know, that's just something to be mindful about. The last thing we got to talk about is the price point. Now that's where it get a little tricky, okay, because this unit was $68, and that's what I've seen so far. So I know different sites may differ, but it's around that area, okay, around $68-$70 or whatever. And then it's an upcharge when you get a color, and this one definitely had an upcharge. I don't remember the exact price, but it did have an upcharge because obviously it's a color, it's not the natural color. So yeah, that may be something that may steer you away from this unit, but honestly I think that it is worth it. The hairline, the texture of the hair, the quality of the hair, because this is not like some cheap like kinky straight hair. Like, it doesn't feel rough at all. Like, it feels like nice, soft, like could possibly be some human hair, okay? So it has the qualities and everything, and the style and the hairline, everything is like, I personally, I'm okay with the price point, but you know, just in case you're not, I don't know, that's up to you, sis. But I honestly, like, do you see how she is laying? And I cannot wait to do the video with the natural color for you guys too, because if this one looks this bomb, like, I know the natural color is just gonna slay. So yeah, I would recommend it, but it's just up to you. But yeah, divas, if you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description box below. Fingers crossed it is not sold out. It probably is though, so hurry up. I will try to have a link in the description box below that is available, have this wig available. So fingers crossed you can get it, sis, because this is definitely one you want to put in your wig arsenal. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat with you and know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you're going to get it, if you already picked it up, what color you got, what color do you like. Just let me know, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.